Task management, to-dos, and assignments. One of the most useful features of the PIP is task management. Tasks are categorized as either to-dos or assignments. Assignments are tasks that can be related to other calendar events, including to-dos, and to-dos are tasks which are unrelated to any other calendar events. However, in the calendar event category field used for filtering, to-dos and assignments are both categorized as to-dos. To-dos are entered directly as calendar events, but assignments are entered through the Assignments module. All tasks can be viewed through the Calendar module, and both are categorized as to-dos in the Calendar module filters. When viewing tasks in the Case Detail module, to-dos and assignments are both displayed on the Calendar tab, unless the assignments are related to other calendar events, in which case they are displayed on the Assignments tab. Through the examples in this video, we will explain the differences between to-dos and assignments and show you how the PIP helps you to manage the allocation of tasks and monitor whether tasks have been completed. We will also give examples of the proper use for assignments. Let's start by adding a to-do for a case. Navigate to the Calendar tab in the Case Detail module. Click on Add Event to Calendar in the bottom left corner of the portal, and the PIP Calendar dialog box will appear. In the Filter category box, click the checkbox for to-dos. Note, if you do not select a filter category, the PIP system will automatically select Special as the category, and the entry will not be treated as a to-do. Enter the start-end values for the date-time fields and select the radio button to indicate the all-day event status. Finally, enter values for the type, location, and description, and assign a staff member. Note, you can assign more than one staff member if you use Shift-click in Windows or Command-click on Mac, after which you use the return key to confirm your selections. Click the Save button. If you are presented with a dialog box to apply a rules-based calendaring template, click on No to proceed. The rules-based calendaring feature is explained in a separate video. You will note that the to-dos you have entered will appear in the Calendar tab portal. Now let's enter an assignment through the Assignments module. Click on the Assignments module in the top right of the module navigation menu. When prompted with the message dialog box, select Assignment. You will be presented with the Assignment Entry dialog box. You will notice that Date assigned by, Case Name, Event, Assigned to, Type, and All-Day Event status fields have been pre-populated for you. For now, let's fill in the description field and enter the start date as today. Note, even though the new assignment is pre-populated with information for the currently selected case, you can change the case very easily. Just click the down arrow icon to the right of the case name field and a list of all your cases will appear. This is a type-ahead list, which makes it very easy to select any case from your list, no matter how long the list may be. Now click Save Close to store your new assignment. In the Case Detail module in the Calendar tab, you will see the new assignment you just created. Set the category filter on the right side of the portal to to-dos, and you will see that the portal displays both to-dos and assignments. Good so far. Let's explore the difference and the reason for assignments. In complex cases, it is not uncommon to have hundreds of tasks. In order to bring context to all the tasks, they need to be grouped together. The PIP software allows you to link tasks by relating them to each other. Here is an example to illustrate this point. Suppose we are preparing for an expert witness deposition. We would probably want to do a variety of things to prepare for the taking of the deposition, which might include 1. To review the curriculum vitae of the opposing expert. 2. To read articles and papers authored by the opposing expert that might be relevant to the issues in our case. 3. To determine in how many depositions the opposing expert has testified for plaintiffs versus defendants, and which side has prevailed more often. 4. To consult with our own expert regarding the opinion that we would expect to hear from the opposing expert. And 5. To develop a line of questioning for the opposing expert to challenge his expertise and credibility. If we entered all of these tasks separately, they might look like this in our list of to-dos. In this format, there is no way to tell that each or any of the to-dos are related to the calendar depot, and if there was more than one expert depot, it would be even more difficult. However, if we enter all of these tasks as assignments related to the expert witness deposition, then the group of assignments can be viewed separately in the Assignments tab. By grouping and displaying the assignments on their own tab element, the assignments do not clutter the events in the Case Calendar tab. For reference, the number of assignments related to a calendar event is displayed to the right side of the calendar event. And for convenience, clicking on the number will navigate to the Assignments tab to view the related assignments. Now that we have explained the benefits of using assignments, let's look at how to add new assignments that are related to an existing Case Calendar event. Navigate to the Assignments module to the very right of the module navigation menu. Choose Assignment in the dialog box. As noted before, the Assignment Entry dialog box will appear and will be pre-populated with information. Click on the down arrow icon to the right of the event field. You will note that the pull-down list is populated with all of the Case Calendar events for the selected case. Choose a Case Calendar event to relate to and enter the appropriate text in the description field. Click the Save Add New button to save the new assignment and create another assignment. Enter information for the next new assignment and click the Save Close button to exit the Assignments module. Now that we have entered to-dos and assignments and understand their purpose, let's explore the different ways that staff members can follow up with their tasks. As mentioned earlier, to-dos and assignments are both categorized as to-dos for the purpose of filtering in the calendar module. Therefore, the best way to print a list of all tasks is from the calendar module. Let's navigate to the calendar module and take a look. There are 4 different views in the calendar: the day, week, month, and list views, and tasks can be viewed in all of them. The first step is to set the calendar event type filter so that only to-dos are displayed. The easiest way is to use the Clear button and then select the To-Dos checkbox. Now click on the List View button to generate the list. Using the Print palette, you can scroll through the list of tasks page by page. To view tasks for a single staff member or group of staff members, use the Staff filter to select the initials of the staff members. You will note that the filter selections take immediate effect in every calendar view, including the Day View portal. And finally, the filtered tasks can be viewed in the month-week views by using the buttons at the top of the Day View portal. To view tasks for a specific case, navigate to the Detail view of the Cases module. By using the Staff and Calendar Event type filters, we can view to-dos in the Calendar tab. Once the filters have been set, the list of to-dos can be printed using the Print function in the Utility toolbar. Assignments are viewed in the Assignments tab. Simply select from the list of calendar dates in the Related Event field, and the list of assignments for the calendar event will display. To see a list of all assignments, click into the Related Event field, hit the Delete or Backspace key, and then tab out of the field. The words All Assignments will auto-populate, and a list of all assignments will display. As always, printing assignments is accomplished using the Print function in the Utility toolbar. There is also a very convenient To-Dos Report function, which is located in the To-Dos menu at the top of the screen. This menu is available in both the Cases module and the Calendar module. While the Print view is self-explanatory, the List view has some special features that require explanation. The To-Dos Report List view interface has a staff filter. By using this filter, staff members can generate their own list of to-dos and assignments. This is also where staff members can document the completion of tasks. Specifically, there are fields for date done, whom done, and what done. Also, by checking the Completed checkbox, the task will no longer display in the list view. However, it will always continue to appear in the appropriate Calendar or Assignments tab. Please note that the case name field in each entry is a hyperlink. Simply click on the case name for the specified case, and the PIP system will automatically navigate to the appropriate tab in the Case Detail module. Finally, you will note that when printing from either the Calendar tab or the Assignments tab, that the Print view will display the date done, whom done, and what done information.